everyone, and welcome back to the Luxe Fifth Wheels channel. Today we are going to talk about the question, why a factory direct fifth wheel? So to start, the dealership model is the norm for the RV industry. Dealerships make orders to manufacturers based on the floor plans they think potential clients would want. This causes the manufacturer to buy in bulk and the coaches to be produced in hours. Parts and coaches sit in storage lots for months suffering from wear and tear called lot rot. At Luxe, being direct to consumer means that we take the guesswork and the extreme bulk buying out of the equation by producing the coach to a specific owner outside of our showroom coaches. This allows our team to be incentivized for quality over speed, and currently we produce 1 to 2 coaches a week with a delivery time of about 5 to 6 months. When you step onto a dealer lot, the sales rep has to undertake a vast variety of brands, and this understandably can lead to gaps in information. At Luxe, we specialize in our own brand, so our factory direct representatives can provide a more in-depth knowledge about our coaches. We also offer more personalized options such as different real hardwood cabinetry colors, furniture colors, full-body paint colors, and more. Aside from our industry-leading construction, there are 3 great features about our factory direct process that I want to talk about. From the moment your coach comes into production until it comes back from paint, you will receive weekly pictures of your coach. We even put your name on it, as this allows owners to stay informed with the process of their coach from start to finish. Secondly is our delivery process. We provide Luxe owners with a period of introduction and instruction, so whether they've been full-timing for years or they're brand new to RVing, they are walked through operating and maintaining their coach. We encourage all of our owners to stay a few nights on our campus to familiarize themselves with their coach and perform their own shakedown. Have you ever pulled into a dealership service center and have been turned away or put on a long waitlist because you didn't buy from their specific lot? Our factory direct approach gives Luxe owners access to a concierge-style service and our expanding countrywide network of service centers and mobile techs. If you already have an RV service shop that you like, they can apply to our service center registry, and you won't have to be worried about being brushed off by a dealership service center ever again. I've linked our owner review playlist below, and I'd love for you all to have a listen to just some of our Luxe owners and their journeys. As always, if you have any questions, drop a comment or give us a call at 844-284-6678, and I will see you next time.